How to start a new life after lockdown. There is only one place to start, and this is by taking time out of your busy day and truly looking into your heart, because this is where all of your answers can be found. How to start a new life after lockdown. There is only one place to start, and this is by taking time out of your busy day and truly looking into your heart, because this is where all of your answers can be found. Ask yourself what truly matters to you, and what your natural talents, strengths, and abilities are. Likewise, if you are passionate about a certain area and have a natural ability in this area, this can be a good indication as to a part of your life purpose. Step 1. Not being stuck in. The sooner you make that first trip in the car alone, the sooner you'll know your way around. The sooner you approach that group of strangers at the party, the sooner you'll make friends. The sooner you look for work, the sooner you'll have financial security. For many of us, the lockdown means more stress cooped up at home, more worry about income, more frustration. Yet, perhaps there is also an opportunity arising from this pause in customary living. Step 2. Getting free from pain. Most of us live in the past with pain in our hearts and fear of the future. Our future in the material world does not look exactly promising right now. Do you feel a little in limbo? Do you ask yourself, is this it? Well, no, this is not it. There is so much more, and it is already inside of you. You already own it. We have to free ourselves of pain and start to live the life we are meant to live. Step 3. Release negativity. So how do we do it? Well, it's really simple actually. We need to go within ourselves, meditate, and heal the past. We need to remove all trace of negativity and live in the now. When we quiet our minds and tune into our energy, we finally become free. We see clearly how things should be. We let go of pain and fear, and we become open to receive. Step 4. Ready with resolution. Write down your resolution. Don't just leave it in your head. When you write a resolution down, you have to think about how to put it down clearly. This process of thinking through what you're writing already programs this idea into your minds. The clearer you can communicate it, the easier it will be for you to achieve it. It is much stronger than just verbalizing the resolution and then forgetting about it. The act of writing something down does something to our minds that strengthens our commitment to what we are writing. And step 5. Get started now. There is only one right time to begin making changes, and that is now. Every step you take, regardless how small, puts into the change orbit. Keep your vision in mind, but remember that all these steps you take which put you in charge of yourself will bring you closer to making your vision a reality.